How to unhide post on Facebook timeline. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can unhide post on your timeline on Facebook. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe option. So here, what you need to do is go to your Facebook. And then, of course, make sure you are logged in. Then what you need to do is go to your profile at the top right here and tap on your settings. After that, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you can see the option called your activity. So what you need to do is tap on this activity log option, and here you can see the option called activity history. Just tap on it. After that, what you need to do is tap on this filters option, and here you can see two options, categories and date. Tap on the first option called categories, and here tap on your Facebook activity, drop down it and go to the post. Just tap on the post drop down, and here you can see the post hidden from profile. Here just tap on this option, and here you can see the post that you've hidden from your profile. So what you need to do to unhide it is just tap on the three dot at the right, and here you can see the option called add to profile. Just tap on this option and refresh, and when you go back to your profile, you can see the post that you have hidden is back to your profile. So when people will go to your account, they will be able to see the post that you had hidden. So in this way, you can unhide posts on Facebook timeline by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.